blogging class, we are going to be listening to a tutorial about how to use Blogger that we are going to be using for our classroom activity. So first thing we're going to do is just open up the internet, double clicking, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right up here into the address book, and to the address box, highlight it, and type in blogger.com. Oops. Okay, press enter and it should get up here, or should pop up here. And what we're going to do is, a few days ago in class, we set up your accounts. So you're just going to enter your account information, and mine popped up, so I can just click on it. If yours pops up, great. If it doesn't, just go ahead and type it in. Okay. So it'll take us here. Sometimes you, once you start using Blogger more, when you pop this up, it will have all of the different blogs that you have. You guys will have none, so what we're going to do is we're going to go up here and create a blog. And you're going to title this blog. Oops. And this will obviously not be the title of yours. And this is the URL, which is the website address. And what we're going to do is we're going to check the availability of that to make sure we can use it. And if it comes up green, great. Just keep on going. And we're going to go down here and type in the letters that we see. We're going to press continue. Okay, and now what we get to do is choose the background. And I'm going to go ahead and choose the books because I like books. And press continue. And it says that our blog has been created. So what we're going to do is we are going to start blogging. Okay, it'll come up with a post at first. Just completely ignore that. And we're going to go right up here to view blog. And you will see a skeleton of your blog. And what we're going to do is we're going to go right up here to this corner and press design. This will allow you to add different things like texts and pictures and such to your blog, and those are all called gadgets. To do this, we're going to press add a gadget, and you can go down, and there's two that we'll be using mostly for this project. One is text, where we can add words and letters, and the other is picture. First, I'm just going to add a text, and I'm going to press it, and I'm going to put a title on it. Intro. Okay, and if it comes up with a squiggly line, that usually means it's a misspelled word, so always check it by right-clicking on it. And it'll come up with different phrases, but since this is my last name, it's not going to know how to spell it. So just go ahead and press save. And then our gadget comes up right here. What we can do is we can move this to anywhere we want on the blog just by clicking it and holding it and dragging it to different places. I like where it's at, so I'm going to keep it there. To add another gadget, what I'm going to do is press add a gadget again, and you can go to any one of those places, scroll down and find picture, press picture, and to get it from our computer, we're going to make sure to click the bubble next to from your computer, and we're going to browse for it. Or you can get a picture from the web by pressing this bubble right here and typing in the web address that the picture is from. So, for the sake of this example, we're going to press from your computer and press browse. It should come up with your desktop, and I'm going to scroll and find my picture. I'm going to press open, and my picture should pop up right here. Oh, perfect. So what we're going to do is press save. And again, you can move this picture to anywhere you want. I'm going to put it right under the introduction, and I'm going to press save. It's very important to save during your work because sometimes the internet gets funky and it'll close out, and if you don't press save, you'll lose all of your work. So now that I've saved it, I'm going to go up here to view blog to see what I've done. And you can see I've got the title of my entire blog here. I've got a little bit of an introduction here, and I've got my picture. Once we add more stuff, it'll start looking even cooler. And I will show you guys a completed blog. Oh, yeah. I'm going to go right up here to design. and then I'm going to go up here to Dashboard, and this has all of my blogs on it. And to view a different blog, what you can do is press View Blog, and you guys can see here, this is my classroom example of this is our class bean project blog. So all of the information is here, and this video will actually also be available on this blog. So if you guys have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask me in class or email me. And I hope that I cannot wait to see all of your guys' awesome blogs.